We're leaving from Yangon, Rangoon to go to Bagan. And then some of us going up to Mount Victoria, and Trish and some other people are going to go to Bagan, stay there, and some other people are going to Mandalay. Bye! We're leaving the Bagan airport on the way to Mount Victoria.
Yeah.
This is
That's your guide. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
In New Bagan is over 39,000 people.
Look at this pod here.
You see that those are monasteries.
That's the place where Trish is going to go stay. During the monsoon, this river is 7 kilometers wider.
Now the military to pay the road tax.
Oh, pay the road tax. Ah.
Yeah.
This is the end of the tar road. From here on, it's dirt and gravel. That's where they grow onions inside those enclosures for cooking oil. Tea time. Genn women. Hi.
Yeah.
What can we say?
Nice for the his bride for to speak Chin.
Banning Beppy has returned after trying to escape from the group.
Now it's
We wouldn't let her though. We went out and found her.
The roadie is kind of going.
The right-hand roadie or the left-hand roadie?
There he is. Oh, brown head, brown back.
There, he's right there.
Big white stripe with a brown head.
Oh, he's a big white stripe on his eye.
Oh, that's
Sharp bill.
Yellow-bellied flower peckers, putting on one of the few shows that we've had. This is a Christian community. As you can see, it's Baptist.
Yes. Okay.
On the way back.
Maybe.
Never knee.
Move right along.
Yes, we're moving. Here we are.
Sing a song.
That's what I was going to say.
Maybe.
Coco can.
There's our fearless leader.
Coco can do it.
The village soccer field. Nice looking house, eh? School. This looks like some school work. I wish I could read it, but I can't, but the script is beautiful, isn't it?
She have 8 children. Đã có lúc mấy tài nè. Bữa. Đi đeo mấy bên nhau đâu. Mấy.
Yep.
Because they are not used to walk with
This
the
is a missionary Baptist.
Baptist.
Yes.
Okay.
The first missionary, of course, we should say they persecute in every kind, in every areas. They used to slap him, they used to chase him out. But
This is a Baptist missionary's house, and he is paid by his church to do this work. You'll notice a satellite antenna and a cell phone antenna on top. In this town, the Buddhists and the Baptists live in peace together. The lady who lives here is a weaver, and she sells her work here. Room there.
That's beautiful. I was walking around to go back here and take off my...
This is the water system. The blue pipe brings in water from a spring up on the hill. And each of the little black pipes takes water to the houses and gardens. Lair. This is a sign suggesting to the villagers how they can preserve their forests.
11:10.
Nice little garden here.
Nice.
We can gather
And
share the lunges upper part. Where we
This is the Capital Town garden. And Sarah Jane shopping.
You folded.
Get the laundry. Is that the one you're going to buy?
Taking a movie of you, dear. That's it.
All right. Lovely. Spices and herbs. They ferment a local liquor made out of corn and millet in those vessels. It takes about 2 months.
This is an ad for condoms put up by Population Services International Myanmar and EuroAid. They have strawberry, banana, gel, and deluxe.
Here's the condom supply. As Hal says, it's excess, as you can tell by all the children.
teenager.
What do you mean teenager?
You can see
her
weaving loom set up.
16 years old.
Censorship there.
We're looking at the Blythe's leaf warble, the most common bird that we've seen up here. We call him our new best friend. Collared owlet call. Here's Camp Willette, where we were today. We were up in this area right around in here. That's our dining hall. Full moon today. Camp at dusk. I say camp, I should say lodge, I guess. More like a camp. Here's my cabin. This is the kitchen where all this great food is made.
Here's the chef.
There's a chef. Good evening, chef.
Don't tell about you until I get there.
You go.
Later you will see what I did.
Oh, I'm sure he knows about you too.
He doesn't.
He does.
No.
Maybe it doesn't have fast enough connection.
Perfect.
And he gave me his Facebook.
You come to the hotel. That's the staff. That's the staff from the hotel. That's the cocoa.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
It takes a second to do that.
Putting gas in this car through it with a tank. That's the way they do it up here.
All this gas must be trucked in.
That's the gasoline supply over there. There's the petrol supply system. Shot of it.
Were you taking a video or?
Okay.